Number 17. Kingdom leaders honor Jesus, or honor Jesus' dual role as Redeemer and Creator. This is what I want to correct in our mind. Jesus is not just a Redeemer. The Bible says, in the beginning was the Word. The Word was what? Come on, talk to me. The Word was, and the Word was what? All things were made by Him. Without Him, all things were made by Him. Without Him was not anything made that was. And they were told that He is upholding all things by the power of His Word. So the Word was at the center of creation and all that. Now He becomes our Redeemer. Why do we limit His role to that of a Redeemer and not that of a Creator? So it takes kingdom mindset to understand that these same people that are not yet saved are part of His creation, and He rules over them. He's called governor among the nations. And if he's the governor among nations, then you need to understand that there is certain level of territorial authority you even have over those people. Let me tell you this little secret. You see, unbelievers, there's nothing you do to them that won't work. If you do juju, it will catch them. If you also pray, it will catch them. It all depends on how you know how to use your authority. It was John G. Lake, who was in Spokane. No, he was in South Africa, I know that, but he was in Spokane, Washington, when the bubonic plague hit America. People were dying in their hundreds. And then he just went to the boundary of Spokane, Washington. And he said, the Bible says, no evil shall come near my dwelling. I live in this city, and every other person who lives here is under my coverage. Nobody's going to die as a result of this. He made that famous announcement, and Spokane, Washington recorded the least death in that plague. He went and closed hospitals. He sent his boys. They closed down hospitals because they said, go and heal the people. I shared that with you. You were not healed by the death of Christ. You were healed by His stripe. The stripe was laid on Him before He went to the cross, which means that before the blood that redeemed us was shed, He already healed the people. Do you understand what I'm saying? And I want you to read all the places where people were healed. When He healed the other man, and the man said, well, how dare you take your bed? How dare you walk on the Sabbath? They said, well, I don't know anything. Somebody just came to me, told me to. And after the testimony, they drove him away from the synagogue. He said, I could care less. And Jesus found him and said, do you believe on the Son of God? He said, who is He? Now he received miracle, he didn't even know the Son of God. He said, I that speak to you, I am He. I believe. Instantly. Miracles are not for believers. I know we say it's children's bread. See, you need to know, you need to read the Bible in context. Because once you remove text out of, it becomes corn. To avoid being a con man, you need to put it in context. Those words are together. You understand? He was speaking at a time to a woman who was a Gentile. And He has not yet sacrificed Himself for all. But after the cross, there was nobody who couldn't access healing. Do you understand what I'm saying? By His stripe, that stripe was put on Him before the cross.